Let's train. Exercise 1.
What do the following conjunctions express? Don't forget to put the video on pause. Do the exercises yourselves, and then let's do them together. Are you ready? Let's go. Because. It expresses cause. Whereas. Expresses contrast. Very good. Until. It expresses time. So that. It expresses purpose. While expresses time. Since expresses cause. Very good. Although expresses contrast.
Now let's move on to exercise 2.
Complete the following sentences with while, as soon as long as. Don't forget to put the video on pause. Do the exercises yourselves, and then let's do them together. Are you ready? Let's go. Hi, Katie. Call me as soon as you get my message. Good. As long as you review the lessons, you don't have to worry about the exam. I chose chocolate ice cream, while she chose vanilla ice cream. Good. She broke into the house as we were speaking. Excellent. If you understood the exercises, click here to move on to the next chapter. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the training. See you guys next.